So I'm up in a tree. Not too far high. Anyways, I'm in a tree because I'm installing this thing. That is a cell booster, I guess is what they call it. Anyways, so I can get some better cell phone signal up here. It's pretty spotty where I'm at. Hopefully this works. I actually just dropped the cable on accident while I was trying to get my phone out. So I have to climb back down and then climb back up and plug it into the thing. And then hopefully it works. Haha! Alright, let's see if it works. So it starts up there, comes down here on the cable, comes down over here, goes through the window into my trailer, and then connects to this thing. But there's a problem. I already took it apart, but basically this cable back here is messed up. That's what I get for buying refurbished. I just called the company and they're going to send me a new cable and I can get it all connected and working properly. Then hopefully it works. I gotta wait another week then, I guess. But that's fine. I've been using poor cell phone signal out here for 2 months already, so it's not like this is going to make much of a difference.